Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I will tell you about how you can use keyframes in CapCut. If you are struggling with it, then this video is definitely for you. Now, let's get started. First of all, you have to open your CapCut and you have to now create new project. And here you have to import the video. Alright, I'm importing it. Okay. Now, I'm dragging the video to add it into the track. The video is added now. On the right side you can see there is a dialog box open with all the settings. So as you can see there is a small diamond shape here. These are the keyframes. So by clicking on it the keyframe will be added. So I'm adding the keyframe here as I'm dragging the video a bit forward. Here I'm adding a keyframe of the position for the scale and I'm adding the keyframe here. Now I'm changing the scale a bit, and as you can see I have changed it to the lower level, and I'm also adding the keyframe before that keyframe here, and I'm adding another position keyframe, and from here I'm adding the scale to the original existing size. I have set it. Now I'm playing the video from the scratch, and as you can see how beautifully the scale is increased and decreased. Alright, you can also add more keyframes to the existing keyframe. So I'm doing the same thing by clicking on the keyframe, and now I'm adding position keyframe here. So I'm adding the X position to the 100 and Y position to the 500. And now on the previous keyframe, I have to reset all the positions to the existing positions. And then I'm adding the rotation keyframe here. I'm rotating it to the 90-degree angle. And that's how the video is rotated now. And I'm playing the video again from the scratch, as you can see. And it looks more nice. Now the video is beautifully changed and you can see there is rotation as well. Along with that, you can also use mask here. I'm using the circle mask here. I'm clicking on mask and then there is circle, so I'm clicking on the circle mask. The circle mask is added now, and I'm just enhancing the size of it a little bit so it will look more good vertically and horizontally as well. Alright, and now I'm adding a keyframe of feather here on the existing keyframe which I already added here. Alright, I'm enhancing the feathers, and on the previous keyframe I am resetting the original feather setting to the original one, and now I'm playing. As you can see it looks so beautiful. That's how you can add as many keyframes as you want to enhance your video. You can also add text keyframes, as I'm clicking on a text and then I'm clicking on a plus button by adding the text into the frame. Alright, I'm clicking it and the text is added to the track, and now I'm just adjusting it. Alright, it's adjusted now, and now I'm moving it a bit down, and now I'm adding the keyframe here, and I'm adding the keyframe on the previous keyframe that I've already added. And on the next keyframe I'm changing the color of the text to red, and that's how the color of the font is changed now. I'm also changing the font on this keyframe. I'm changing it to 20, and that's how the font is also changed. Now I'm playing the video so you can see that how beautiful it looks when it's playing. And that's how you can add text keyframes as well as other multiple keyframes including mashup and animation in your video to enhance the beauty of your video. And that's it for today's video. I hoped you liked it and enjoy it. If something was unable to understand, then you can comment on below us and let us know. Don't forget to hit the bell icon and thumbs up the like button, and as well as check the link in the description below. Thank you.